Okay, this is my video of how to speak Hmong tia. Okay, if you watched my video from before, I would hope you would understand that I'm not really trying to teach you how to speak Hmong. Like, in the beginning of the video, I post like this big caption box right in front of my face saying, please read the description, and many of you did not do that. Okay, so if my first video wasn't really to teach you guys how to speak Hmong, what was it for? Oops. Okay, so the reason why I made my first video is because bored, so I just was a no special reason. I didn't mean to actually trick anybody to like go out and like say things like that to Hmong people. Come on, like, why would you go up to someone and be like, so in order to understand my first video, you kind of have to understand that I'm a very sarcastic person. I don't ever really mean to offend anybody. That's just how I am. So for the people who don't really understand what sarcasm is, I'm gonna try to explain it in my own way. Sarcasm is like, here's an example. If we go on top of the cliff and we're looking down and then I stare at you and I'm like, you should totally jump. That's sarcasm. I don't really mean it, but depending on who you are, you're gonna react in one or two ways. The first way you can react, like how most of you did towards my first video, is just to understand my sarcasm and just be like, haha, ka funny, tia. I'm not gonna jump off. The second way you can react, which some of you did towards my video, is to not understand my sarcasm and to not know I was joking and take total offense to it and just be like, why would you tell me to jump off the cliff? Do you think I'm stupid? If I jumped off, I would die. Do you not appreciate life? You hate life, don't you? You're a death lover. And then they'd call me white. Now, as funny as it may sound, I actually do take offense to when people call me white. Not because, I mean, I understand I look white. Duh. Now, what it is just that, so you guys don't know how I live my life, how I grew up. And also, ever since I was little, cousin I was always Hmong. No one second looked me. Pretty much what it comes down to is pride. I take pride in that. So if you call me anything other than what I take pride in, it's going to be a little offensive. It's like me calling another Asian who takes pride in being Asian whitewashed. He or she is going to take offense to that. So what this video is about is just a response video to all the negativity I was getting from the first video. So if you were one of the people who were offended by it, Tatsuya, I don't mean to offend anybody obviously, but if you're going to leave insults and stuff like that, please direct them towards me since I made the video. Don't call the other people retards and stuff like that. You know, they didn't do anything to you. Neither did I, but, you know, I got hurtful feelings, huh? Yeah, I do. It hurts. For you people who are actually trying to learn Hmong and you came across my video, sorry to disappoint you, but there's a lot of crap online, like me. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to talk about. Alrighty, so, I think I'm done. If you have any questions or anything else you'd like to say, you can't come over unless you just have the looks and just make me go, damn girl, you're just so ugly. I feel bad for you. I'll take care of you. You can come over. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't ever say that to anybody. But seriously, yeah, you could always get a hold of me, like on here, or you can add me on Facebook, whatever like that. I'm always checking on Facebook for people to bother and stuff like that. So yeah, yeah, good.